Here, today I'm gonna show you how to graph linear equation on the graphing calculator. So first you turn on the calculator, then you go here where it says y equal 2. And then you see this all is the equation, right? So you type in x as your equation, x plus, plus 2. Let's say this is your equation, right? And then you go to graph. All right? You press graph, your equation will show. And that's the graph, but how are you going to translate it on a paper? So you go to second, then graph. You see how on top there's table? So if you press second, whatever blue color on top, that's where you connect it. So second and table. This is tell you whatever x value, you can go up and down. Like here, up and down to move up and down. So you go up, then you see whenever I graph, I tend to like to use -2, 5 points. When x is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, those are the good 5 points to start. And then you see how whenever that x is -2, y is 0. So copy that and copy the table that on the space I provided for you. And once you're done, it's a coordinate, right? So whenever x is -2 and y is 0. So come back to the table, then the graph. And this is whenever x is 1, y is right here. That's the point. So once you have enough point, you connect it, and that's how you get your graph. Now, or better yet, I'm going to show you how you can look at the word chase here, right? So you click on this, and when you move left and right here, then you can move up and see the points here. Okay? But the table is actually easier, so I would put the table to be more direct. So what happens if you want to make the graph bigger or smaller? You go here, the zoom. And once you press the zoom, you can zoom in and out and make a choice. Usually we stay with zoom standard. So you either go up and down to go to 6, or you can just press number 6 and zoom to that way. If it's a more decimal, you can zoom out. I'm at 2, so press 2 here. So this is how you can zoom in a little bit. Okay? So this is how you graph.